back to the channel. You guys, this is a special video. You guys, I am going to be telling you all about our new Aiper products, the fastest and easiest way to clean your swimming pools. You heard me, your swimming pools. You guys know my parents have an in-ground pool at their house, and my dad and my brother are always complaining about how they're having to scrub it and they're having to clean it and skim it. And now these two products that I'm going to show you today do it all for them. I cannot rant and rave about them enough. Thank you so much, Aiper, for sponsoring this video. And you guys, let's get into it. I want to show you all about these two products. All right, guys, so we put the Surfer S1 in the water and it is doing its job. So there has been no more using, you guys can see the net over there. That was our old way of like skimming the water line. But now this Surfer, we put it in and it just floats along the water line and does the same, essentially the same thing as that net, but it saves you so much energy because you're not standing in the sun, you know, forever scooping everything out of the pool. And with all this pretty greenery and, you know, shrubs and stuff, the wind blows and sometimes it blows stuff. Like you can see there's a leaf in the pool, but the Surfer is going to eventually make its way over there and get that as well. So far so good, you guys. I'm gonna let you hear a little bit of my dad's review because he's been, you know, he is his own pool boy, and so him and my brother, and so I'm gonna let you guys hear what he has to say. He has used it a couple of times now. My family swam in the pool yesterday, and so he already has this going in the pool now. So I'm gonna let you guys hear some of his review today as well. But so far, it's been really, really efficient. Out of the box, it was easy. You know, set up, put it in the pool and everything, and so it's been pretty user friendly. We really enjoy it, and so we're gonna enjoy the pool today. As you can see, my husband and my son are over there. But so far, we really love the Aiper products. This is our third product with them. I'm going to show you guys another product that they sent us for review as well. So thanks so much to Aiper for sponsoring this portion of the video. We really, really appreciate it, and we cannot, you know, rant and rave about this company and their products enough. We have switched. We don't use any other pool cleaning products at all from any other companies. We really, really love the Aiper brand, and the quality. Customer service is really good. My father had to call because he didn't know how to do something with one of the other machines that we have from Aiper, and they were really, really quick to answer him and give him options as well, and so we really like that as well. So all right, guys, so we got the Scuba S1 Pro here by Aiper. This is the newest pool cleaner that they came out with. We had the old one. I've shown you guys that before on the channel, but they were so kind enough to sponsor this portion of the video and send us this one. This is their newest technology. The main difference between this one and that one is you can control this one from an app on your phone, right, Dad?
That's correct.
All right, so he's his own pool boy, so he is used to taking care of his own pool, and he really liked the first one that we had, and so now he's upgraded to this one. We're gonna we just took it out the box. We're gonna charge it, and then we will give you a short demo of this one as well. But so far so good. It looks really nice, actually. It's black and gray. There's a knob here, or not a knob, but there's a dial here with like buttons on it, and then there's a big power button there. So, and this one looks way more heavy duty than the last one. Look how big it is.
And it has the
tractor wheels. The last one didn't have that, right?
Nope.
So again, it's the, you can see it here. It's the Scuba S1 Pro. All right.
Yeah.
And then open it so they can see the skimmer box. Isn't it like a skimmer box?
Yeah.
Is it here? I see it in here. You open it from this way?
Yeah, I think so. Let's see. There you go. This right here is it's a dual filtration system.
Dual filtration.
So that's one filter, which
Where?
is the basket.
The basket,
And then this is the second one, which is the fine filter.
Got it. All right, y'all. Stay tuned. We're gonna test it out once he charges it up.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so we got it all charged up. This again is the Scuba S1 Pro. I showed you guys the dual filtration system. So My dad hooked it up to the network and put the app on his phone. He said the difference between this one and the previous model is obviously the the wheels on track here are a little different, but it does have a more powerful motor, he said, and it also scrubs the walls horizontally, whereas the previous one only did vertically, we believe. And there was one more thing. What was the other thing?
The avoidance sensors.
Oh, these sensors here they can avoid certain things in the pools, which is a good thing. So,
And a more powerful motor.
And the motor is more powerful. So let's test it out.
Yeah.
You ready to put it in?
Yeah.
Now, when you start it, you don't start it from that.
You have to start it from there.
Okay, so let's go.
So the first thing you do is press the button. 2 seconds, it comes on.
Okay.
So it has 4 modes.
Okay.
One of them is automatic.
Okay.
One of them is floor.
That's the bottom one.
Yes. Then one
Waterline.
Waterline, and then economy mode.
Economy would do the whole thing?
Yeah, they keep doing it over and over again. You can just leave it in the pool.
Okay. So which mode you gonna try?
I'm gonna do automatic. As you can see, the blue light is on.
Uh-huh.
Once you turn it on, the motors have spun.
Mm-hmm.
So now I'm gonna put it in the pool and let her go.
Alrighty, guys. You just drop it in.
Mm-hmm. Fill up with water and drop down.
So now it's filling up with water and it's going to lower itself into the pool. That was pretty quick.
Mm-hmm.
So now it's at the bottom on the floor. So does this one have to learn your pool, kind of like, or just
It
goes?
just goes
okay.
on its own pattern. It has like a logarithm that it uses.
Okay. And then you guys can see we also have the surfer in here going as well. It's not a lot of debris today in the pool. Yesterday I showed you guys how it had cleaned the entire surface of the pool water line. So today there's just a couple of leaves from just the trees and stuff in here, but you can see it's sucking stuff up. Let me see if I can get closer so you can see it. And it's just going on its own. So now this kind of eliminates him having to come out with the net and scoop everything off the water line and everything. It's gonna do that for him. That's pretty cool. Okay, so this has come back up. Now it's going back down.
Aiper app. And since we have 2 devices, the new one, the Scuba S1 Pro, shows up. And then it also has the Surfer S1, which I had at first.
Okay.
When you go into the Scuba one, you can pick the modes, but as you can see, it loses contact underwater and you can't reconnect until you pull it back out the water.
Okay.
But with the Surfer one, it's pretty cool because you can hit it. It'll tell you how many hours it's been running. It tells you the battery life. It shows you the Bluetooth connection that it uses for you to control it manually, and the Wi-Fi. And it also tells you the water temperature, which is pretty cool. And then you can hit the manual control and you can control it actually where it goes. Oh. Which is pretty cool.
And so that's with the Surfer right here.
The Surfer S1.
Okay.
Now, it's supposed to be a device or a product called HydroCalm that Aiper offers that will let you have more control over the Scuba S1 Pro while it's underwater.
Okay.
So that's something that's, I think it's new, and I'm going to inquire to the support department about obtaining or how much it costs.
Okay.
Yep.
So would you say that both of these, or at least one of them, even if you didn't have one or the other, you only had one, would you say it makes pool maintenance easier?
Oh, yes, yes.
Okay.
For us, as you can see, we have a lot of trees.
Yeah.
So the Surfer does a really good job, because I used to have to come out here
with this net right there
with that net and manually get all the leaves and stuff out of the pool. The actual Scuba Pro, that does a better job at cleaning the bottom.
The bottom. Mm-hmm.
And using an expression with the walls.
Oh, so normally he would have to use a brush. You can guys see it over there on the ground and scrub the walls of the pool to just get all the debris off. You can see there's some debris on the deep end there, but we just put this in, so that's going to eventually make its way over there to clean that. So the surfer that has like a filter that you dump to. Yes. From everything it collects. Okay.
It has one basket.
Okay. And then this one has a basket, but it also has a second filter as well. And so far so good. There's a couple of things that it has to get, but we just started both of them, so cool.
Stop it. It's a button here that says play, and if you hit that, it goes to standby mode where it just stops.
Okay, so we're gonna take this out and show you guys, is it called a skimmer basket or yeah, we're gonna show you the filter basket or skimmer basket to show you what it has already collected. It hasn't been running that long, and as you can see, it still has some debris to get up, but we put it on standby so we can take it out the pool and show you guys what it has collected so far. All right, so we got the surfer out.
And you can turn it off.
Okay.
Just hold the button 2 seconds till it turns off.
Cool.
The way you do the skimmer basket is you push this and then you slide it and the handle pops up.
Oh, cool.
And you just lift the basket out. And as you can see,
there's stuff in there.
Yep.
So how do you open the basket?
The basket opens up right here.
Oh, and then that's everything that it collected. Okay. So that's from the water line, from all these trees you guys can see. But eventually, if we would have let it keep going, it would have gotten all of this stuff. So you guys, if you are in the market for a new pool, or if you have a pool and you do your own pool maintenance, or you let your kids do it, or whoever, a family relative or someone, check out the Aiper brand, because this is like very innovative and it's changing the game of pool maintenance. Because again, you don't have to use that brush over there or this net right here. You guys, we used to hate coming out here you know, skimming the top of the pool and scrubbing the walls. And as you can see, the Scuba S1 Pro is doing its job. It's scrubbing the walls. It's doing everything that the pool needs to be maintained. So this is perfect. So definitely check out Aiper, you guys. And thanks so much for sponsoring this portion of the video.